Y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Get the food. Let me eat some. What happened? Y'all not hating, man. I don't know why he don't like it, but he be doing it. Anywho, so we have my sister again. She's back on the channel, guys. Say hi. So we have some Greek food here. We got some gyros. We got a chicken gyro, a steak gyro, a regular lamb gyro, some onion rings, cheese sticks, fries, and yeah, we're gonna get it in. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. They love doing that. It's so funny. And leave us some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook, interact with us, because we do like to hear from you. And we're gonna get started. So we're gonna say grace. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive for the nourishment of our body. Help me to pray, amen. Okay. So yeah, whatever you want to start with. It was actually pretty cool. I actually ordered, I've been ordering a lot. Yeah, it's marinara for the cheese sticks. I actually be ordering a lot of stuff or whatever. So I knew she was coming over, but I didn't know what time she was coming over. And I had literally just put my order in when she pulled up.
I didn't call ahead of time.
She did.
I just came on over.
She did. But luckily for her, clearly I ordered a lot of food. So we got enough. Gavin, you want a cheese stick? And Gavin's behind the camera. He was very sad about this. So yeah,
I don't have the coronavirus.
No, she better not on but she is an essential worker, so she's still been out here in these streets.
I tell you though, I just miss like touching people. Like in the beginning, when everything got shut down, my sister and my brother, I'd be like, "Can I come over?" They'd be like, like, okay. I mean, I just want to hug. You forget how important it is to just, hug people. And they always say that hugs make people happy and increases like your mood. So
I have an onion ring.
Yes.
I have one of these too.
I love onion. Yeah, for another day of not knowing what I'm gonna eat, and Gavin decided, Gavin all about girls now, so.
Well, I'm gonna eat this one because it's right in front of me.
That's fine. That's cool. Enjoy. I thought about getting White Castle, but I don't eat the burgers. Like the burgers.
No way.
But I did have some shrimp from there, and it was good.
I don't eat no White Castle.
Yeah. Yes. I wanted, you ever had king gyro? Listen.
Is it just huge or what?
It's really huge. And the meat is just so, I don't know what they do to their stuff, but it's just so, it's super good.
I made I found a recipe online. And I made chicken gyros at home one time. This was probably like at least a year or more ago. I made tzatziki sauce out of like, I want to say, I know it's like, you got to put the cucumbers and you got to drain them and stuff. And then I want to say Greek yogurt maybe we used. But anyways, the meat was chicken, and you had to stack it on these sticks and cook it in the oven, like stacked on the sticks and season it and stuff. And it was chicken thighs. When I say it came out the bomb, I'm gonna do that again.
I'm about to say, I mean that's her next family dinner meal.
That might be a Sunday dinner. I got a lot of stuff in the pocket for next when we open up Sunday dinners again, because we ain't been doing our Sunday dinners for a while. When we open them back up, I got mine planned out.
Okay.
Because I got to do the Swedish meatballs that I sent you. Them things are good. Them come out good every time.
I probably could do them if I could find. I don't know if Kroger always, because sometimes, stuff be popping up, but they don't do it all the time. Like I got that meat while we had Philly cheesesteaks the other day. And I got the meat. It was already shaved or whatever, but I don't know if they do that all the time.
Oh, you made that? I didn't know if you bought it or what. I'm going to be honest, I didn't watch that video yet. Because I probably would have found out if I watched that. But
Oh yeah, I made them. The meat was already shaved. I added some pepper, onions, and some cheese. Woo! Gavin tore them up. The homies, shout out to the fam, Jazz and Otis. They said Gavin was tearing down his, and he was. You know, Gavin be acting crazy sometimes. And Gavin was like, "It's good, Gavin." I tried to get Gavin to eat gyros before.
You know, Trey will not eat you.
Oh yeah, heck no.
You know.
Try like that is?
Nah, Trey like chicken.
Wow, that's trash.
Chicken, pizza, eggs, toast.
Gavin said that's trash.
Gavin
That's funny.
trash.
All the stuff falling out.
I know. It's a fork around here somewhere.
I'm trying to thug it out a little longer.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay.
You just gonna bite that and put it back?
It didn't have
that.
Yeah, I don't know who did that. It didn't have a cheese pull factor for sure, but that's okay. I didn't get them. We DoorDashed again. I told y'all, my mama DoorDashing. I can DoorDash.
This one.
Gavin showed his brother for show and tell today.
He did? Mm-hmm. He showed his brother?
For show and tell.
That's adorable.
I feel
that's like straight off of Rugrats or some stuff. Like, I feel like, don't Tommy got a little brother or
Deal.
sister? Deal.
Yeah, Deal. The homie Deal.
That's some straight
Deal
Tommy
crazy.
and Deal stuff, too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No, that was Tommy and Angelica.
Who?
Tommy
Angelica
and Angelica
showed
yeah.
Tommy for show
Since
and tell?
everybody didn't like her doll.
Oh yeah, I remember when she went to school. Yeah, I've been trying to have Bubby watching.
Whereas,
I mean, he do watch it.
Rugrats is a show, high key.
That's like literally all I watched growing up. I could just sit and watch a marathon of Rugrats all day and be content.
Facts. I wonder why they don't have All Grown Up on Hulu yet.
You know what was so funny though? Like, Tommy's just like how he used to come into his thoughts about like why things work. And you know, they was babies, so he'd be like, well, maybe it's because like, little dude be putting words together that don't go.
They do. Like in the movie, he called it a sponsibility.
It's because it's our responsibility to help each other, guys.
It brings back memories.
No, for real. Tommy stayed messing up some stuff. Gavin used to get mad about it. It's like, it's not pronounced that way. It's said this. I'm like, Gavin,
It's a baby.
Right.
They're not even supposed to talk yet. They still in diapers. Real babies don't got them words.
That was hilarious, though. He used to just say, it's a cuz.
That was my guy, though.
For real.
He came through with the baby knowledge.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
You know.
And did you watch that episode where like it's like they're kind of all grown up, like they went to the Emma concert?
The what concert?
The Emma concert.
The what concert?
Okay, so they ran with Angelica's thing that will make her like talk louder and sing, and she said in it, twinkle, twinkle, star.
I don't know that one. I mean,
And
I've
then
probably
they
seen
went
it before,
in
but
the closet, and then Spike ate Tommy's dad's medallion.
Mm.
The Golden Scorpion medallion.
I do remember that. I mean, I remember. Yeah. How did you watch that? Oh, I do remember. I think like in the regular season they like had a fake like growing up one, but it wasn't like during the season.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, and then they made all grown up.
Yeah, for sure.
She like.
That's why I wanted you to get all grown up.
Man, I'm paying for
This is what he'd be saying. He'd be saying like, it's a responsibility. When it's really not even that word.
And he was referring to a compass when he said it's I got my responsibility.
Oh.
And he said we should go this way.
Mm-hmm. Gavin, when I first introduced him to that movie, Gavin is just if I tell him to watch a movie, he will watch that movie 5 million times. Okay.
That's how it is though, like especially when Trey was smaller, like we would find a movie we liked and it would just repeat all day. Like we just would never watch anything else. We just watch that. He'd be like, it'd be over and I'd be like, hey bud, you wanna watch something else? Can we watch this again? Okay. Like we was obsessed with the Book of Life. Oh, man, I feel like Wreck-It Ralph was the worst. I think we were obsessed with Wreck-It Ralph for like weeks.
Gavin wouldn't let me watch the Book of Life or Zootopia. He didn't want to watch it. He thought both of those were scary.
The Book of Life's not scary.
I don't know.
It's such a happy movie.
But
he did not want to watch it.
I see that the Book of Life's not scary anymore.
Oh, yeah. You see it now.
You see it now. But
Zootopia's still scary.
I remember when Gavin was scared of when they went savage. Like, Gavin be like, no. I remember one time Gavin was over my house and Trey wanted to watch Zootopia. He was like, no, I don't like it when they go savage. And I was like, what?
And I said, I don't like the part where all those scary things come out. Look at his eye. He goes,
yeah.
The beast is alive!
Okay, bro. Yeah, I remember, like, because I feel like we saw that movie a couple times. Though. I feel like I took him to see it.
Now, you took me to see it.
And then mom took him. He had to have almost saw it like 3 times. That third time, Gavin said, "This is it. This is it." Like I think she said he bawled, like broke down because she was gonna take him and Trey to see it again. Gavin said, "I can't do it."
And Mom gonna take me to Goosebumps too.
Oh yeah.
Now, did you go with me when we went to go see Power Rangers, the new one? Because I know Mama took.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it was me, you, Mama, and Trey when we went to go see Power Rangers, and they were scared of Power Rangers. They were scared of it. Yeah, but Rita was scary. To be, you know what?
It was true. Rita was actually scary.
Our Power Rangers growing up was like, like it was
safe.
You wasn't really scared of them characters. Like they didn't even come off scary, but the effects they got now and stuff, like Rita, she was shaking and all that, and
they were in dreams, and she was like.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Yeah.
I had to make Gavin watch The House with the Clock on the Walls because he didn't want to watch that.
I like that.
I think I made him watch Goosebumps too.
Because
Trey liked them Goosebumps.
He kissed the lady, and then she turned into the old person when he died.
On what? What you talking about?
The clock.
I don't remember what happened in there. I do remember seeing. I don't know. I got a lot.
It was good. I liked it.
And
Gavin, have a napkin under you.
I hate it.
You ain't hate it. You liked it. Every time I get Gavin to watch a movie and I know it's good, he be like, "Oh, that was a good movie." Yeah, I know.
Because they're not scary movies.
No,
The Airbender wasn't a scary movie.
I'm talking about The House with the Clock on the Wall.
Because their generations were cold.
They're
fire, earth, water.
I'm just gonna eat this.
Yeah,
stick. Since everybody's done and this is the last one, I'm gonna start double dipping. I feel like now that coronavirus out, it's like stuff that like already wasn't acceptable is like really not acceptable. Like you can't double dip for real.
Right.
Like it was kind of okay. Like, it was, like, not cool, but, like, it wasn't a super huge deal. Like,
somebody.
You might have gave somebody a side eye if they double dip, but now it's like,
You might
did
get
you just
shot
put
over
the
a double
Corona
dip.
in our sauce? Like, are you tripping?
You might get shot over a double dip. That's for sure.
I took my son to the grocery store the other day. This little dude almost got us jumped, okay? I mean, as soon as we walked in the grocery store, like, we hadn't even really got out.
I remember this story.
Like, we get in, door closed behind us, and this dude goes,
Achoo.
and I was like, what? What was that? I was like, dude, you can't cough in the grocery store. And he hadn't coughed all day. Hadn't coughed the days before. I think he was doing his own experiment to see what was going to happen. I'm going to be honest, like, the kid is smart. Okay, 9 years old. Like, what? I'm looking at him and saying, listen, I, like, got down on, like, one knee. And I'm like, listen, you can't do that in the grocery store. Like, you gonna get us messed up. And I'm like, listen, coronavirus is out here. Coughing is one of them symptoms. You can't just be coughing just to cough because it's funny. Like, are you sick? Do you feel sick? He was like, no, I don't feel sick. And I was like, okay, well, you can't just fake cough in the grocery store, homie.
These kids off the chain for sure.
I was like, what made him? You know, it's like, I can only imagine what's going on in this little 9-year-old brain. He like, you know what?
I'm about to cough.
I'm about to cough in this grocery store. What?
Shoot,
I'd actually
over here for family group. For the family group.
Mm-hmm. Oh, am I gonna stay over here? I don't know.
No, for the family group.
She got other places she's supposed to be at.
I got a lot of runs to make today.
Mm-hmm.
I made y'all first, though. That way I don't contaminate y'all's house with wherever else I go. Mm. I ain't been to the store or nothing. These clothes came fresh out the washing machine. Okay. In the dryer. Mm.
Did you take a shower before you
I did. I took a shower right before I put these on. Listen, I followed directions. She said, if I come over, I got to shower right before I come. Okay? I even pulled shoes brand new out the box. Well, they're not brand new. I wore them before, but I cleaned all my shoes before I put them up. And I cleaned the bottoms of them too, like the soles, because they Jordans, you know. So these shoes have been cleaned. Okay? When I came in, I saw her disinfectant spray sitting over there. I didn't know she was gonna spray me when I got here. I did get sprayed. I feel like she might have contemplated. She said that when I got in, I had to be disinfected, and I didn't know what all that entailed. Okay?
I'm very sorry that I didn't disinfect it because I know I planned on it. Do you eat baklava? Baklava?
I don't know.
She said, I don't know. I don't really know. It's like it's like pastry. It's a pastry.
It looks good though. It's got like a pecan on it.
Yeah,
What's the stuff in the middle?
I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it. I mean, yeah.
We'll try it.
Oh, I got a knife over here. You gotta have me a knife. I'll put, oh, excuse me. Oh, yeah, that was good.
That was very quality. That was some good.
Thank you.
That was a good quality burp right there.
Yeah. I met my so this is one guy, his name is Jaleel, and when I first started my channel, he always he watched all my videos, and then he started a YouTube channel, but then he don't have me another one. Not that one, but like the smaller knives. And he would put like a time stamp on when I would burp in my videos or whatever. He came for the burps, okay? That's what he came for. And so I feel like he would be really proud of that one I just did.
I can't really burp on command, but I really wish I could.
It just comes out of nowhere. Gavin, they in the fork knife thing, just get a smaller knife. Or do you gotta use the bathroom?
Yeah.
Go use the bathroom.
Okay, just go to the bathroom.
I guess we could just use. Let me just get. Nope, we could just use fork. See if that works. See, there you go. There you go. All right. Okay. That's what the people here for. Oh, I guess I should have brought it up earlier, but I had told people about that one time. What happened was when we was playing Power Rangers. Oh, I think I did. I told y'all that I didn't know if the scar was still there, but then she said, "Of course it's still there." Like,
there we go.
Yep.
Exhibit A. I've had it since I was 5 years old.
Was it 5?
I was 5. I was 4 or 5 years old. I honestly don't remember if I was in school yet, but that scar, I'm 30 now, so scarred me for life.
Literally.
The real thing about playing Power Rangers, though, is that Sean, y'all have seen Sean in these videos, our older brother. He didn't let us be Power Rangers. We could only be Power Rangers if me and her was like playing together. But we always had to be the villains. And he was the Red Ranger. And then that's just how it was going to work. We'd be like, Sean, can we be on your team and be a Power Ranger today? Sean be like, nah, you can
That's
just be
hilarious.
the villain.
I didn't even remember that. That's
I remember
funny.
that because I wanted to be Trini, which was the little yellow ranger, okay? And I just couldn't. He wouldn't let us. He wouldn't let us.
That's hysterical.
So,
you see how people do? You gotta have whatever half you want.
I mean, I'm gonna get the one that's closest to me.
That's fine. That's fine. Totally fine.
I'm gonna put them.
I kind of want to just put the whole thing in my mouth.
I mean,
But if I don't like it, I'm kind of forced to like eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna put it.
I don't really know what to make of it. It's not bad.
Here's everybody's last fries.
Really, bro?
It's
Seriously?
just like some nuts with some type of
Here,
sticky,
mommy, and another little bunch.
I don't know. It's fine. I'm gonna eat the rest.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, people like it when you stuff your mouth.
Yeah.
That's what I just did.
People like when you know what I'm saying, you don't have no coof about yourself. You know what I'm saying? You just eating real crazy.
Hello.
I've never had baklava before.
Oh, look at that. This is probably, I've had it maybe a couple of other times, but this is probably the best one. I'll tell you, this one is really good, yeah. I think that, I know it's made, this one's like, it was like pecan or pecan, whatever. Don't you go in there and mess, about this. Because Gavin like, you know, somehow, when I put Bubby to sleep and I leave the room, somehow every time I come back, he always up. And I'm just like, how did he get up? Oh, he just woke up on his own. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's probably the best one I've ever tasted. And they ain't saying, maybe that's not saying much because I haven't tasted a whole bunch of them, but. Somebody at my, somebody I used to work with, one of our interns, he said that his mom, like, they make baklava.
Are they Greek?
I don't really know what he is. His name was Hassan though, but he ain't look like a Hassan though. It was interesting. What else you got? You got a story you want to tell the people?
Let me see. Darn it. I wish I would have thought of something embarrassing.
Oh. Yeah, let's end this now.
No, but thanks for having me on your channel today.
Thanks for joining.
Surprise guest.
Woo woo. She wasn't coming over here with not doing the video. I mean, she's lucky that she got to eat some food because I do got some more of them jelly things. And I told her, I really do.
Stuff like, Emma, how you eat this? You want me what?
I know her and my brother, I'm sure they be wanting to just eat food and I'd be like wanting them to do challenges with me all the time. But that's because I can't really do all of them ones that I want to do with Gavin.
Challenges are cool though. Like, I think the challenges be fun. You know.
What's today? Okay, so I gotta tell y'all that on Friday's video, I got another challenge coming. So tomorrow's video, y'all see this on Thursday. I got another challenge coming, so make sure you watch this. Another challenge with Big Rex, small bites, and we're going to be doing like a chop style challenge or what have you. I should have said this in the beginning. They ain't gonna know. They probably ain't even gonna watch all the way through. But anywho, y'all see another challenge video. We're doing chop style. She's gonna give me 3 ingredients. I gave her 3. We're gonna make an appetizer
with just the 3 ingredients.
Well, not just the 3 ingredients. You know,
that's like it's gotta be in there. Okay.
Basically, yeah. So
right. Okay, that's cool.
So that's gonna be fun. All right, girl, come on, boy. All right, girl. Okay, thank you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let us know things you'd like to see us try, things you'd like to see us cook, interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Ew, Gavin. And we will see you in the next video. Peace out. Really? Oh.